Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you 10 Halloween related signs in British Sign Language. Are you ready? To sign Halloween, keep both hands open, bend your wrists slightly, then bring your hands to around about your shoulders height. Halloween. To sign Happy Halloween, the sign for happy is two hands with your fingers closed, then bring your palms together twice. Happy. So, Happy Halloween. To sign Trick or Treat, let's first look at the sign for trick. Take the middle finger of your dominant hand and place it on your nose. Then twist your hand away from your face. Trick. This sign can also be used for pretend or false. The sign for treat, with both hands, we're going to wrap our index finger around our thumbs. Then hold your hands out in front of your chest and then bring both hands at the same time together towards your chest. Treat. So let's put it together. Trick or treat. Now the sign for treat, this is directional. So imagine somebody's giving me something, but if you're the one giving out treats, you could sign trick or treat. To sign sweets, take the index finger of your dominant hand, touch the side of your jaw, then twist your hand. Sweets. To sign evil or devil, extend the thumb and little finger on your dominant hand, then place the back of your hand against your forehead. Evil. It's also the same sign as devil, but your lip pattern is what's going to distinguish the signs. So, or. To sign witch, take your index finger and thumb on your dominant hand and then form the outline of a witch's nose. To sign black cat, let's first look at the sign for black. So, close your hand and leave your thumb extended. Then place your hand against your cheek and move your hand down. Black. The sign for cat, open your hand, then hold your hands just in front of your face and move your hands away from your face, bending them at the same time. Cat. This is for the whiskers. So, together, black cat. To sign monster, form claw hand shapes with both hands, then hold them just in front of your chest. To sign pumpkin, use two hands to form the outline of a pumpkin. For extra context, you could fingerspell the letter P followed by the outline of a pumpkin. But usually your lip pattern, that should be enough to help people understand what you're signing. To sign scared, tap your fingertips and thumbs on both hands against your chest. Scared. At the same time, your facial expression should look scared. You can also use the same sign for to sign costume or fancy dress. Take two hands, place them against your chest and then motion down twice. Costume or fancy dress. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a happy Halloween.